Family therapists who study sibling estrangement have found something that surprises most people. The average length of an adult sibling rift, once it happens, is measured not in months but in years, often 5 or more. And the triggering event is almost never as large as the silence that follows it would suggest. A parent's funeral is one of the most common triggers of all. Today's story is from a man whose falling out with his brother lasted exactly that long, 5 years, over roughly 90 seconds at their mother's graveside. This is Dean, in his own words. My mother died in early 2021, and at the funeral my brother Curtis gave the eulogy, which had been my job. We'd talked about it, I'd written notes, until Curtis stood up without warning me and just started talking. I sat in the front pew and listened to my own planned eulogy, essentially delivered by someone else, badly paraphrased. And I have never in my life been angrier at a person I loved. I didn't make a scene. I'm not built that way. I shook hands afterward. I said the right things to the right relatives. And then I did not speak to Curtis again for 5 years. Not at Thanksgiving, which we alternated hosting and simply stopped alternating. Not when his daughter got married, an invitation I declined by mail like a coward. 5 years of a silence that got easier to maintain the longer it went, the way any bad habit does. What finally broke it wasn't dramatic. I was cleaning out a storage unit last month and found a box of our mother's things neither of us had ever divided up. Her recipe cards, a coat, photographs going back to a childhood only the two of us remember firsthand anymore. I sat on the floor of that storage unit for probably 40 minutes before I understood the thing I'd been too proud to understand for 5 years. Curtis was grieving too, badly, in the moment at that funeral. And grief makes people do strange, presumptuous things. And I had spent 5 years punishing him for being sad in the wrong order. I texted him a photo of the recipe box. Just the photo, no message, because I still didn't trust myself to write the right words. He called 11 minutes later. We didn't discuss the eulogy at all, that first call. We talked about the recipe cards, our mother's handwriting, a lemon cake neither of us has ever successfully recreated. The eulogy came up on the second call, a week later, and it took him about 4 sentences to say, "I shouldn't have taken that from you, I wasn't thinking straight," and about 2 sentences for me to say I'd needed to hear that for 5 years and never asked for it. We split the recipe box. He kept the lemon cake card, since he's the one who actually bakes. I kept a photo of our mother at 19 that neither of us had ever seen before, which felt, honestly, like the actual point of any of it. 5 years is a long time to lose over 90 seconds at a graveside. If there's a version of that math sitting in your own family, a silence that's outlasted, by a lot, whatever started it, the door back in might be smaller than you think. Ours was a shoebox of recipe cards and a text with no words in it at all.